Nothing. What a bulletproof worker right there.
Hey, check this out. We got like a huge problem here. This belongs to Eddie Knox, nostalgia fuel funny car driver, the problem child. And I guess they had a catastrophic failure is what you'd say. I believe fuel line, way I understood the story, fuel line or something broke, motor leaned out, kaboom! When she went kaboom, the flame all went forward. What little fumes and stuff was in the tank, boop, blew it up like a marshmallow. So now our good buddy John Wells here is trying to, what did my son say? Trying to make a marshmallow square. Trying to make a marshmallow square again, so we can make some templates to get this tank back what it is. We'll send it back with the owner. They'll put it in the car. They'll bring it back to us, and we'll blow it apart, get all the baffling and stuff back in it, and go. So this is a 230, 40 mile an hour gas tank that went kaboom. So we're here to fix it. That's what KRS is all about. So what we got here now is I've got all the baffling installed, everything's final welded on the inside. So now just going around and gonna final weld everything, and that's a wrap. Send her down the road.
So the next step is going to be to pressure test it, and then going to go back in the car and see if they can keep it together this time.
Bye-bye, fuel tank.
Bye.
Where's the other one? Where's the bad one? There's the bad one.